Rapattoni's listing autofill feature can save you valuable time when entering a listing. Using cutting-edge AI, this tool will scan your property pictures to identify features, then auto-populate the relevant amenity fields on the listing input form for you. This process can be applied during the initial listing input, or if there is a delay in getting your property pictures, you can apply this process later to incomplete or existing listings. The autofill listing data using AI option appears in step 1 of the listing input workflow. If you are not ready to upload pictures at this time, simply uncheck this option. If this option is checked, you will be prompted to upload your property pictures as one of the first steps in the listing input process. Once your pictures are loaded, you can edit and arrange them as needed. From this screen, you can also perform other available actions, such as generating AI picture descriptions, etc. These actions can be done now or later after your listing is entered. If you prefer to skip picture edits for now, click the Save and Continue button. As the system uploads your images to the listing, it will simultaneously analyze each one to detect property features. Once this process is complete, the system will present you with the list of amenities and features extracted from the images by the AI recognition tool. It is crucial that you carefully review this list and uncheck or clarify any items that may be unclear or inaccurate. Click the Save and Continue button to save your changes and continue with the rest of the listing input. The features selected from the AI analysis will be auto-populated on the form and can be adjusted here if need be. If you have chosen not to upload the pictures during the initial listing input, you can save the listing as incomplete and run the AI autofill process later. To do so, simply locate the incomplete listing and select the Revise option. Next, click the Upload Manage Pictures link and upload your pictures. When you are ready to continue, press the Save and Exit button. This will begin the picture analysis and the results will return accordingly. When you select the Save and Continue button, you will be redirected to the listing input form where you can review or make edits to the listing as needed before saving or submitting your listing. Anytime you upload a new picture to an existing listing, whether it is incomplete or not, the system will run the AI analysis for all newly uploaded pictures and will backfill the input form accordingly. It is important to note that if you delete a picture, any data that was originally autofilled from that picture will remain as part of the listing and will have to be manually removed if needed.